Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your WordPress website live. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com and then simply log into your WordPress account. This is the home interface of your WordPress. And from here, we are going to go to the left hand side over here. As you can see on the bottom, you can see the settings option over here. Click on the settings option. And in the settings option, we're going to be looking for the reading section over here, which actually allows us to view our website, how it is like represented to or presented to the website viewers. And simply we are going to scroll down and we are looking for the site visibility option over here. As you can see, many of you guys have the option privated. If you want it to be public, just simply click on public, and that's how your website will be live and everyone can see it. Like every other person on the internet can see your website from this after you have enabled the public option from over here. And make sure that you click on save changes before you leave this site so that your actions has been saved. And that is how you make your website live on WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.